Hi, today we're going to be talking about Tyron Safety Bands, which is a band that is designed to keep the tire on the wheel in the event of a tire blowout or tire-related issue. This is a display showing the Tyron band mounted to the tire on the wheel. Now, the way that wheels are manufactured is they all will have a depression in the rim because you have to be able to get the bead of the tire onto the rim, because the bead of the tire is smaller than the circumference of the wheel itself. So the way that the tire is mounted once the band is on is that the bead goes in and then the tire company rolls the tire onto the rim. So in this case, this band, or this belt, excuse me, allows a channel for the tire or the bead to fall into in the event of a flat. So if you're traveling down the road and you hit something in the road, have a valve stem loosen up and lose air. If you lose air pressure, the weight of the coach will push the tire down, the bead will drop into that channel, and the tire can come off the wheel. So to prevent that from happening, we mount a band inside the rim that fills that cavity. And by filling that cavity, it stands up slightly, and the bead itself will hit that band, keeps the tire on the rim, and prevents the tire from coming off. That also prevents the wheel from making contact with the asphalt. So at that point, the tire will go flat, but you can still steer, you can brake safely, and find a safe place to get off of the road. You're not always able to just pull over. Sometimes you have to drive a distance to find a safe place to exit the roadway. So that will allow you to do that without running on the rim, without creating any more damage and tearing up the coach because of a shredded tire. So if you want to look in here, I don't know if you can see it, but you'll see how that band mounts inside, and it stands up slightly so that either the bead will hit the band. If it does pop over the band, it still is high enough to where the tire will not come off the rim. So it's really designed just for safety. It doesn't make the coach perform any differently. It doesn't make it prettier. It's just inside the wheel, sleeping there, and it's there in the case of an emergency.